In this video, we'll break down the second two categories of practices that help make service management happen. These two categories are service management practices, which has 17 practices, and technical management practices, which has 3 practices. Remember, these practices focus on repeatable processes as well as actions that help us support services from many different aspects of service management, from planning and design all the way to delivery, support, and improvement. Let's first start off with the service management practices, and remember, there's 17 of these practices specifically. First, we'll start with availability management, and these help ensure that our services or products are available when we need them. Common example of some availability metrics that fall under this type of management are uptime, MTBF, which is mean time between failures, and mean time to restore service, or MTRS, in the event of any service outages. Second is business analysis, which helps us analyze different aspects of an organization to understand its problem areas, needs, and how we can solve both. Here we focus on analyzing the most important and high impact problems and needs first, and then solving those, and then moving on to less important ones as we need. Third is capacity and performance management, which helps us make sure that our services are performing as expected and can presently handle current demands, as well as scale to handle potential future demand. Then we have change enablement, and change enablement is different from change management. Change enablement focuses on changes in services, while change management focuses on the people side of things. Incident management is next up, and this helps us minimize the impact of different incidents, as well as restore services as quickly as possible. Then we have IT asset management, which focuses on managing different IT assets, such as software, hardware, and cloud assets through an inventory system like an asset register. Following that, we have monitoring and event management, which helps us focus on observing different services and events, as well as how we can respond to them if they do become issues. From there, we have problem management, which focuses on reducing the likelihood and impact of problems, known as incidents, by identifying the real and root cause issue of an incident, as well as managing any necessary workarounds. Following that, we have release management, which helps us make any new releases available to our users for any changes we make in our services. After that, we have service catalog management, which helps us maintain a central source of accurate information about our available services and how users or customers can then request them. Then we have service configuration management, which helps ensure accuracy and up-to-date information about our services as well as our systems, ensuring that everything is configured correctly. Then we have service continuity management, which focuses on maintaining service delivery during and after any issues, disruptions, disasters, or incidents, ensuring that we have the appropriate recovery strategies in place. Then we have service design, which helps ensure that we're designing services that are relevant and useful to our organization, users, and customers. Then we have the service desk, which often acts as a central point of contact for technical support. Generally, they'll handle service requests and any incidents that are reported in by different users or customers. Then we have service level management, which helps us set realistic performance targets on our services, as well as compare our actual performance of services against these targets. Usually this comes in the form of an SLA, or service level agreement, and metrics that we can measure as well. Then we have service request management, which helps us manage our various service requests and ensures that they're delivered both efficiently and effectively. Finally, we have our service validation and testing, which confirms that any new or changed services meet our quality, performance, and compliance or governance requirements before going live. Those were our service management practices. Now, let's get into our technical management practices, of which we have 3 practices. First is deployment management. This ensures that new or modified services, applications, or infrastructure components are released and deployed in a very controlled, reliable, and consistent manner across our organization. Second, we have infrastructure and platform management. This is overseeing our physical and virtual technology infrastructure like our servers, our networks, and our cloud services. We do this to ensure that they're maintained, monitored, and meet our performance and availability requirements. Third, and finally, we have software development and management. This is where we focus on designing, developing, and maintaining our software solutions to meet business goals, stakeholder needs, and our quality standards such as reliability and usability. In this video, we wrapped up our studies on the practices. We explored the 17 service management practices as well as the 3 technical management practices. In the next video, we'll end this section off by concluding our study on the overall service value system.